The National Electrical Code, or NEC, permits a refrigerator to be connected to a non-ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, circuit in a residential kitchen under normal circumstances because it is classified as a stationary appliance. However, an exception arises when the refrigerator is situated in close proximity to a bar sink. In such cases, the NEC mandates that the refrigerator be connected to a GFCI protected circuit. This requirement stems from the rule that all electrical outlets within 6 feet of a bar sink must have GFCI protection, without any exceptions for appliances like refrigerators. The rationale behind this seemingly inconsistent requirement lies in the perception of bar sinks as wet locations. Wet locations pose an increased risk of electrical shock due to the presence of water, and GFCIs are specifically designed to mitigate this risk by quickly interrupting the electrical circuit when a ground fault is detected. A ground fault occurs when electricity deviates from its intended path and flows through an unintended conductor, such as a person, to ground. GFCIs are highly sensitive devices that can detect even small ground faults and trip the circuit within milliseconds, preventing potentially fatal electrical shocks. The NEC recognizes the potential for electrical hazards in wet locations and mandates GFCI protection to enhance safety. Currently, there are efforts underway to modify the NEC requirements regarding GFCI protection for refrigerators. The proposed change aims to mandate GFCI protection for all refrigerators, irrespective of their location within a dwelling. This initiative is driven by the recognition that refrigerators, even when not situated in wet locations, can still pose a risk of electrical shock. The risk can arise from various factors, such as faulty wiring, damaged insulation, or water leaks within the appliance itself. By requiring GFCI protection for all refrigerators, the NEC seeks to provide an additional layer of safety and minimize the potential for electrical accidents. The proposed change is anticipated to be incorporated into the 2023 edition of the NEC. In the interim, it is crucial to adhere to the existing NEC requirements and ensure that all electrical outlets located within 6 feet of a bar sink, including those serving refrigerators, are equipped with GFCI protection. This proactive measure will help to safeguard against electrical shock and promote electrical safety. When installing a GFCI receptacle, it is essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions and the applicable electrical codes. The GFCI receptacle should be installed by a qualified electrician who is familiar with the NEC and local electrical codes. The electrician can ensure that the GFCI receptacle is properly wired and grounded, and that it is functioning correctly. It is also important to test the GFCI receptacle regularly to verify that it is working properly. The test button on the GFCI receptacle should be pressed to simulate a ground fault. If the GFCI receptacle trips, it is functioning correctly. If the GFCI receptacle does not trip, it should be replaced by a qualified electrician. Ground fault circuit interrupters are an essential safety device that can help to prevent electrical shock. By understanding the NEC requirements for GFCI protection and taking the necessary precautions, you can help to ensure electrical safety. To reiterate the current NEC requirements, firstly, refrigerators in residential kitchens are generally permitted to be on non-GFCI circuits. Secondly, if a refrigerator is within 6 feet of a bar sink, it must be on a GFCI protected circuit. Thirdly, this is because outlets near bar sinks are considered to be in wet locations. Fourthly, the 2023 NEC is expected to require GFCI protection for all refrigerators. And fifthly, it is always important to consult the latest edition of the NEC and local electrical codes for the most up-to-date requirements. The reasoning for the upcoming change in the 2023 NEC to require GFCI protection for all refrigerators is multifaceted. While bar sinks are explicitly considered wet locations due to the presence of water, the potential for moisture and electrical hazards exists in other areas of a kitchen as well. Refrigerators, despite being stationary appliances, can experience internal condensation or leaks, creating a pathway for electricity to ground. Additionally, factors such as damaged power cords, faulty internal wiring, or even accidental spills near the refrigerator can elevate the risk of electrical shock. By mandating GFCI protection for all refrigerators, the NEC aims to address these potential hazards and provide a more comprehensive safety net for homeowners. Furthermore, GFCI technology has advanced significantly in recent years, making it more reliable and less prone to nuisance stripping. This has reduced concerns about unnecessary interruptions to refrigerator operation, paving the way for broader GFCI adoption. The decision to expand GFCI protection to all refrigerators reflects a proactive approach to electrical safety, prioritizing the well-being of individuals and families. While the existing NEC addresses specific wet locations, the revised requirements recognize that electrical hazards can arise in various scenarios and that universal GFCI protection for refrigerators offers an enhanced level of safety. It is important to emphasize that GFCI protection is not a substitute for proper electrical wiring and maintenance. Regular inspections of electrical cords, outlets, and appliances are essential to identify and address potential hazards. If any signs of damage or wear are detected, it is crucial to promptly repair or replace the affected component. Additionally, it is advisable to avoid overloading electrical circuits and to ensure that all electrical work is performed by qualified professionals. GFCI devices are designed to protect against ground faults, but they do not prevent overloads or short circuits. Therefore, it is important to use appropriate circuit breakers or fuses to protect against these types of electrical hazard. The combination of GFCI protection, proper wiring practices, and regular maintenance provides a comprehensive approach to electrical safety. The NEC serves as a valuable resource for electrical safety information and provides detailed guidelines for electrical installations. By adhering to the NEC requirements and seeking guidance from qualified electricians, you can create a safer electrical environment. Keep in mind that electrical codes and regulations may vary depending on your location. It is essential to consult with your local electrical inspector or building department to ensure compliance with all applicable requirements. They can provide clarification on specific code interpretations and assist with any electrical safety concerns. Electrocution is a serious hazard, and taking the necessary precautions to prevent electrical shock is of paramount importance. GFCI protection is an effective tool in mitigating this risk, and understanding the NEC requirements is essential for ensuring electrical safety. In addition to the specific requirements for refrigerators and bar sinks, the NEC mandates GFCI protection in a variety of other locations, including bathrooms, kitchens, garages, and outdoor areas. The purpose of these requirements is to minimize the risk of electrical shock in areas where water or moisture is likely to be present. It is important to be aware of these requirements and to ensure that all electrical outlets in these locations are equipped with GFCI protection. The installation of GFCI receptacles is a relatively simple and inexpensive way to enhance electrical safety. If you are unsure whether your electrical outlets are GFCI protected, it is advisable to consult with a qualified electrician. They can inspect your electrical system and recommend the appropriate GFCI protection measures. Taking the time to understand and implement GFCI protection is a worthwhile investment in your safety and the safety of your family. Furthermore, it is worth noting that GFCI breakers are also available. These breakers provide GFCI protection for an entire circuit, rather than just a single outlet. GFCI breakers can be a convenient option for protecting multiple outlets in a specific area. When selecting a GFCI breaker, it is important to ensure that it is compatible with your electrical panel and that it is properly sized for the circuit it will be protecting. A qualified electrician can assist with the selection and installation of GFCI breakers. The NEC recognizes the importance of ongoing education and training in the electrical industry. Electricians are required to stay up to date on the latest code changes and technological advancements. This ensures that they have the knowledge and skills necessary to perform electrical work safely and effectively. When hiring an electrician, it is important to verify that they are licensed and insured. This provides assurance that they have met the necessary qualifications and that they are accountable for their work. A qualified electrician can provide valuable guidance on electrical safety and ensure that your electrical system is installed and maintained in accordance with the NEC and local electrical codes. In conclusion, the NEC requirements for GFCI protection are designed to protect against electrical shock. While refrigerators in residential kitchens are typically permitted to be on non-GFCI circuits, an exception exists when the refrigerator is located within 6 feet of a bar sink. In such cases, GFCI protection is mandatory. The 2023 NEC is expected to expand GFCI protection requirements to include all refrigerators regardless of their location. It is essential to adhere to the NEC requirements and to consult with qualified electricians to ensure electrical safety.